Taiwan for me, I think this is nothing more than extraordinary. Taiwan was one of the best places that I went. The kind of people I met, the kind of food I tried, it was fantastic.
Excited for the Lantern Festival because I heard a lot about Taiwan, the country, which is like the inventor of the boba tea.
Landscape of Taiwan. One day you're sipping a cup of coffee at the 100th floor of one of the tallest buildings of the world, and the very next day you're sipping a green tea with one of the monks.
And I'll tell you why you should go to Taiwan. You should go to Taiwan. You should definitely go to Taiwan. There is nothing like Taiwan. Of course, there are many countries, but Taiwan is Taiwan.